think this is day 7. Put some stuff in the Jeep. We're checking out late here at Rampart and doing the Starbucks run for 2 cents again. And then we'll go to Resorts World today.
All right, so it's almost 1 o'clock. We did the late checkout here at Rampart Marriott. Again, we went to bed like at 4 in the morning. So we're on our way to check in at Resorts World. We're gonna be staying at the Conrad for 1 night. Hog is downstairs, low rolling it on a slot machine because he grew impatient waiting on me. So we will see you guys at Resorts World. I am gonna miss my palm tree view and the fairway view. Till next time.
All right, guys. I have not one clue what this game is, but they're playing Morrissey. I'm waiting for 2 cents, so I said let's sit at it. Low roll, 50 cent. All right, that last game was pretty stupid. I moved on to this thing here. I have no idea how it works either, but we're gonna low roll 88 cents on this one, which I know is big spending for pennies, but we're doing it. Okay. I think I saw Gambling Granny play this, or something similar to this. I think those bags blow up. Oh, alright. Incredible. Alright, 3 spins in. Not bad. I don't know what that is, but keeps us going. Right, let's see what it is. Oh, it's pretty good. $11, I think. Okay, so something just happened with these 2 bags here. That one there and this one there. Prosperity Longevity. Super feature 1, 5 free games, expanding reels, multipliers, and extra. Okay, maybe this is good. Let's see what happens. A full reel of those things. What? 2 of 6. Oh, okay. 3 of 7. Keep going, free games. More free games. Okay, we're at 88 cents a press, so this is probably not going to be anything spectacular, but we'll take whatever we can get, right? We need another free games. Peacocks. Last one. Come on, blow up. Oh, we got free games. Come on, peacock, cocks. Come on, peacock, cocks. Come on, more free games, free games, free games. More peacocks. Blow up, you bag. Come on, you bag, blow up. 9 of 11. Peacocks, free games, anything? None. Come on, free spins, free games, whatever that is. Blow up. Oh, 2 free games. That helped us out big time with the 2 free. We need more free games. Oh, peacock! Okay. And another free game. Woo, wilds! Is that good? Oh, there's a song. Oh, someone's singing a song. What does that mean? Let's see, how much is that? Yeah, these 88 cent spins have been good to me. That was cool. Let's get another free spin. Or one of those bags to blow up. That'd be nice. Free spin. Okay, well that's it. I'm not gonna complain. That was fun. I don't know. 88 cents seems to be where it's been at on the trip. I won last night on 88 cents. Maybe there's something to that. I'm gonna probably just play down maybe to 150. We'll see. All right, guys, another $50 richer. Guess who wasn't around when we won that one? The Gucci. Off to Rampart.
God damn it.
Yay! Off to Resorts World. Yay! Park the car.
The Eagle has landed.
The Eagle has landed. We got to go to the Conrad check-in desk. But yeah, this is our first
That way.
footprints in this new resort.
Yep.
So here we go.
It's like that star buckle.
Great. Just great.
Carry our luggage.
Yeah. I don't know. Let's find out where we got to go first. There's a lot of people here though. They're going to the bathroom. Conrad, there we go. Oh, the Liberace piano. That's awesome. We've made it.
We made it.
We've made it. We know this is Liberace. We know who he is. We're old enough. Yeah, it's like soap bubbles.
Yeah.
What is this? A mist.
Bacteria?
I don't know. Yeah, culture. Look at the paint. Oh no, those are elephants.
Oh,
Damn.
it's down.
I swear it's like right here. It says one. What the hell? Oh. No, this one. Okay. All right, there's two sets. Curls. Boingy boingy.
Yeah, so we're not facing the strip, but we'll be facing maybe downtown, hopefully.
So this is a Conrad. They call them premium rooms because the square footage is a bit bigger than the regular Hilton. Hilton is 420 square feet. This is about 550 square feet. So, hence the word
We
premium.
don't have neighbors, but we might be next to a loud, noisy something.
We've got access to the staff elevator. Whoa. All right, dropped our stuff off here at Resorts World. We're going to meet Curtis and Kevin at Ellis Island and have some barbecue.
Nice. Looking forward to that.
See you guys over there. Look at that guy.
He's a gladiator.
Gladiator. Fisticuffs there, Sarah.
Put them dukes up, son.
Everyone's Instagram famous. Is that Caesar Milan? Dog Whisperer? What a Caesar Milan. Yeah. You're very handsome, sir. We found Curtis. Well, they found us. Curtis, Kevin, 2 Cent. I think I recognize.
Yeah, she was wandering the casino.
Howard is a friend, a +1 of Curtis, longtime friend. So we're here at Ellis Island, having a great time. Obviously, how wrong can you go next to these tanks here?
Oh, yeah. 'Cause I keep forgetting it's their own brewery.
Right.
I keep forgetting.
This is going to be
our numero uno.
Number 1.
To get the ribs.
The ribs, and this is our first time.
Yeah, I've never had the ribs.
Never.
Do you like ribs?
Oh, yeah.
Because they also have chicken too, if you like chicken. But they have ribs and chicken. That's
But
all
we
they
hear
have.
this is
I
like,
love the ribs.
yeah, we hear
Baby
good
back
things.
ribs, not
That's their
spare
entire
ribs,
menu.
not-
Yeah.
Chicken and ribs.
Oh my goodness, guys. Ellis Island, full rack. 2 Cent got a half a chicken.
All right, you guys enjoy.
Thank you so much. Appreciate you guys. So we have high expectations. Little impromptu last minute group slot pull. In fact, this is our only group slot pull with Kevin and Curtis. They've been hand selected because they are very extremely lucky.
Very
Oh, right.
So
Yeah.
it takes 2 pieces of luck
Overall.
to
cancel.
cancel this one out. So we should be okay.
And we just had delicious barbecue chicken and ribs over here at the Ellis Island Barbecue. Thank you guys.
Thank
again
you
for
guys.
that.
Okay, now we've got 400 in. We're playing Ultra Hot Mega Link.
We're doing 1 cent.
We're doing 1 centina max bet.
So how many spins each?
20.
20.
20 each?
Okay.
Here we
Okay,
go.
we'll let you know, guys, if we hit on anything. We'll catch you up with it. Here we go. Curtis. 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 It worked! I have the camera rolling! Yeah! Yep!
Oh my
I felt it!
You felt it?
I felt it!
It wasn't me.
No!
All right.
Good job!
And a mini.
And a mini.
Okay, that's only 15 bucks.
Yeah!
All right, here we go.
Oh, thank God!
Minor.
Okay. One more. Come on, give us another one. Come on, give us another one. Balls, balls, balls.
That's it. Last spin.
Don't.
No, it's not the last spin.
No. Balls. Yes! Woo! Okay. All right, now we need 2 more for that minor.
We got an ultra hot.
How much is the minor? Oh, 50 bucks.
50 bucks.
Okay.
What we really need is that major to drop.
Come on. All right.
One more.
Oh, 3 more spins.
One more. Please, please, God, please.
3 spins to get 1 more to drop. Drop it like
Oh,
it's hot.
God.
Drop it, drop it.
many spins Curtis did?
One.
Oh, okay.
First
That was
one.
my first spin.
Okay. All right, 145. That's pretty good for spin number one.
We were at 239.50. We are now at 384.50.
Woo!
All right.
All right, 19 more spins.
Don't screw it up.
Do it again, do it again.
Don't screw it up.
Do it again, do it again, do it again.
Now just some free spins.
Oh.
The one to come to Ellis Island, right?
Yeah. So far, Ellis has got the barbecue, but
All right, halfway through. Oh,
so we did switch denom. We're on 2 cent now. 250 a credit. Oh,
That's our biggest ball yet.
yep.
I like that big ball.
I know.
Oh. Spin number one. We got 4 balls. Let the balls rain down.
Drop your ball.
Drop your balls. Drop them balls now. Drop them balls.
Press it, baby, press it.
Go. Okay.
Trigger. But you need 3
No.
more.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Trigger.
Okay.
Keep the balls coming.
Okay. We don't have anything big yet, though.
Speak for yourself.
Okay. Yeah, we need words. We need words, guys.
We need the major.
Oh, no. Okay. Oh, of course. Of course.
Got to tangle something.
Retrigger, retrigger, retrigger.
Ah! You rude. Yeah, we're so far away from those. Yeah.
60, 100.
Could be worse.
Kevin, we decided to move to Sea Monkeys. There you go. $4 a press. Should be easy here.
Right, because Diana Ivani makes it look really easy.
Yeah.
The cake.
Those other games were just for jokes and giggles.
Yeah, I'm laughing.
Now we're serious.
Yay!
What is it? Oh, you picked
The bonus.
Oh, nice. That's what I got. Remember?
Yeah, that's what you got.
Now,
All right, that was easy.
It doesn't matter how you do it, but pick the right one.
What is the best?
Like the big spin. There you go. The
Spin?
most spins.
Okay.
Yeah.
Splish splash. We got the most. 15.
That's the mermaids.
Well, that's permanent.
That's the mermaids. This one is Hey Hey, we're the sea monkeys.
Oh, hey, hey, we're sea
okay.
monkeys.
But the sound is.
There's another one.
Okay, so
multiplier.
The multiplier.
There we go.
so this one you don't even have to do anything. It just
No, it
goes
just spins,
automatically.
yeah.
Okay.
All right.
And you still have 2 more spins after this. See,
Oh,
Kevin?
okay.
Now you got the one.
Now Kevin's on film.
You made it to the,
Yeah,
the
to the
final
big
time.
I got to the bonus,
That's all
and
you had to do, Kevin.
now,
We need some.
but now we need some hits.
Well, we need some sea monkey food on the last reel to give us more spin.
Keep getting multipliers, but
But nothing multiply.
yeah. Multiply 0 times 0 is 0 times anything.
Oh, I saw that diamond go by.
What is the diamond?
A diamond at the end will give you a pick. You pick from all the diamonds and you
That's
get
the
it.
one I got. Remember, I got to pick the diamond.
Okay. Oh yeah.
There we go. That's good. And if you get all the way across that food there, the packets,
Right.
those are wild symbols too.
Oh.
If you can get that far across. All right, so far we're up to 0.
We still have 7 remaining spins. And we're a multiplier
Can you hear the music? Yeah. It's very strange.
Yeah, it's jungle.
Very jungle-y.
Yeah.
Jungle.
It's not your normal sea monkey music. There we go. That's a win.
Oh, this one?
Yep.
And 3 spins.
Nice. $32.
Oh, hell yeah. Go, Kevin.
Oh my God, 11 times multiplier.
I wish Curtis would have told us to come here first.
I know.
Oh, okay.
Come on, guys. Get over there.
They're at 12.
Uh-oh.
Come on.
There's more spins.
Okay,
There's more
good.
spins.
Something making
Five.
Wow.
Perfect.
We just need to find it.
Now hit something.
Yeah. Diamond. Give us a diamond.
Give us some diamonds. That would be nice.
Oh, jeez. 14 times.
Wow. Need a big line.
Any line hit.
Yeah. 16 times.
Jesus. Just a tease.
Yeah, Diana makes it look so easy. This is it.
This is it.
Oh, man.
Oh my God.
Oh, it's not. Wow, that was underwhelming.
Hey, it was still
Again.
I thought it was so exciting.
All right.
There you go.
16 cents.
16 cents, people.
Our first impromptu group slot pull.
With Kevin and Curtis.
And like we were saying before, the first time is always
Awkward.
awkward and uneventful.
I thought it was very eventful. We got
Oh.
some good bonuses.
We hit a couple of bonuses.
We did.
We hit a couple.
Yeah.
Even I hit one on here.
We could have gone 300, 400 in without any bonuses.
That's true.
Because that happened to me at Circa.
Just had a wonderful time with Kevin and Curtis as usual.
It was nice that we both had the time to, like they did and we did, had the time to hang out, not just to sit down and eat real quick, but get together and do like a mini group pull afterwards. And it was a pleasure meeting Howard as well.
Yep.
I really enjoyed having a conversation with Howard. So that was nice. We didn't have anything planned but just to bunker down at Resorts World and check it out. So that's where we're headed to right now. Oh, what was the outcome of the slots? Oh, you already covered that. Right?
Nothing. Yeah. Zilch.
Nada,
Nada.
zilch. But hey, that's the way it goes.
All right. To Resorts World.
To Resorts World.